What's up, guys? Today we got some Culvers. Culver got some of the best cheese sauce in the game. Onion rings with some of that cheese sauce. A little bit of ketchup. Got that diet root beer for balance. Yo, I got a triple, and then I added 3 more patties to it. It's gonna be a crazy bite. A little bit of cheese, a little bit of ketchup, oh, a little too much. Give me some feedback in the comments. Let me know if y'all like the talking videos more. I love when I get these little baby ones.